Hey, so I'm going to do a tutorial in Mudbox about how to render a turntable movie. Before I do this though, I want to make sure that you guys go to Apple and get the make sure you have Quicktime installed, because if you don't and you try to export a Quicktime, you're probably going to get some sort of error that pops up. So make sure you install Quicktime. And make sure you have Facebook on while you're doing your tutorial so everybody can hear that annoying sound. Make sure to do that. So, yeah, I don't want to do that. Yes. That's what you heard. You heard one of these. So I'm going to install it now because I have a new computer and I actually don't have it, and the tutorial will be no good. And I know this because I just did it and it didn't work. So now I'm recording it again, but you don't get to see the one where it didn't work because I deleted it. Of course, I probably could have installed this beforehand, but it's always good to slow down your tutorials. So go faster. Go. Do it. So I guess while this is going, I'm going to start a new scene, and I'm going to bring up an awesome sculpt that I made called Basic Head. There you go. Here's my awesome sculpt I did. It's pretty good. And I'm just doing this while I wait for it to finish. And I'll just put something on it. A different material preset. These are all good. Whoa, what's going on here? Yes. Make them chocolate looking. Yeah, I like that one. That was chocolate. Let's see what it's doing. Updating component registration. Awesome. Could not possibly go any faster. That'd be asking too much. I'll just keep fixing this guy. Just keep going until he looks exactly how I want him. Kind of looks like Cleveland Jr. Oh, that sounds racist because I made him chocolate. That's not what I was saying. I like chocolate. That's all. You ever do this while you're doing a tutorial? You guys can just keep skipping ahead until this is finished. I call this freestyling. I'm freestyling my tutorial. So anyway, you want to make sure you do this. Otherwise, how's it going to export a turntable? Just keep making him bigger. I think it might be finishing up. Keep going. You may also need to close out of the application that you're in. For this to, yeah, don't save that, please. For this to actually work properly. So I will finish there. I will not go pro. And I will open up Mudbox again. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Hey, look at that, product placement. You know that guy? You better. Alright. Welcome screen. Alright, basic head. Here we go. So I'm going to go to render. I will do create turntable movie. I'm going to set the size that I want here, so I'm going to set this to 720 by 480. Make sure you can see your character in here really well. Number of frames. I'm going to do this a little bit quicker, so I'm going to do 150 frames at 15 frames per second. And I'm not going to turn on anti-aliasing, and now I will be able to export a QuickTime movie. So I will do that, and I'll click Create, and I will save this on the desktop, and I'll call it Turntable _test, and I'll click Save, and this is going to process down here. Hopefully saving frames. Okay. And it must be, whoa. Hey, there we go. Now I could probably have turned the grid off beforehand. But those settings there actually work pretty well. So if I wanted to, I could turn off the grid. That way I don't see that. Make him look like Cleveland Jr. again. It's not working. Go back to render, create turntable movie. I'll keep these settings the same. I'll do create, and I'll make this one number 2, just so we can kind of see the difference without the grid. So again, it's saving frames down in the bottom here. He doesn't actually look like Cleveland Jr. now. And that finished, and now, oh jeez. And there you go. So there's your turntable render. I hope you enjoyed this.